Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 13th, our word of the day is feign. F-E-I-G-N. Feign. Feign is a 5-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Feign means to pretend to have a particular feeling or problem. In other words, to represent fictitiously or to give a false appearance. Similar words include act, affect, assume, counterfeit, devise, fabricate, fake, forge, imitate, invent, sham, simulate. Examples of sentences using feign are: when confronted about the crime, the suspect feigned ignorance of even the most general details. You know how everyone feigns surprise when you tell them how old you are. The prosecution claimed that the defendant had feigned the injury. She responded to his remarks with feigned amusement. Some animals feign death when in danger. He feigned that he was not feeling well so that he could leave the party early. Make sure to save this new word, feign, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.